Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add an itemized bill in Splitwise. Now the first thing I want you to do is open up the PC version because this functionality is not available in the mobile app yet. So you can come here and click on all expenses and add an expense if it's an individual expense. If it is a group expense, just select that group and then click here on add an expense, okay? And then just add a description, let's say hotel bill. And then where it says split equally, I want you to click on that and choose this last option right here, itemized expense. And then what you need to do is go ahead and enter the description of a specific item. Let's say this one is a steak and we put in the amount. This one, let's say it's $50. And we have chosen split equally right here. Then you can do, salad like that. And let's do some drinks, right? Let's do juice. And another person maybe ordered cola. So now we have salad. We'll put in the amount right here as $30 for a salad. Juice, let's do $15. Coke, let's do $5. Okay. Now, if you want someone to pay that whole bill, I want you to just toggle their name off. The amount under their name, just toggle that one off. So William Hunter in this case will pay $30 for the salad because he ate the whole of the salad. Maybe you guys shared the steak or a pizza. And juice, let's say this one was drunk by William Hunter and the cola by Tutorialis right here. So this is the total bill for Tutorialis and this is for William Hunter. And the grand total is $100. If you add tax right here, you can do that. If you did tips, you can add that as well. I'll click here on done, and that is how the bill will be split. Okay, it will be split unequally as such. Click here on done and then click on save. And that is how you add an itemized bill in Splitwise.